So, you already have a grasp of how to add and subtract fractions when the denominators are the same. Now we need to figure out what to do when the denominators are different. And honestly, it's going to be very similar. The only difference is we need to make the denominators the same. So, we go about finding a common or making common denominators. So, make the common denominator by finding the least common multiple. And as an abbreviation, least common multiple is LCM. So, we list the multiples of our smallest number. So we list 3, 6, 9. And this problem we're lucky because 9 is a multiple of 3. So we ask ourselves, what do we need to multiply 3 by to get 9? And that's just going to be 3. So just like we were doing yesterday, we multiply the bottom by 3, and because we've multiplied that by 3, we need to do the same thing to the top. So our problem turns into 7/9 plus 3/9. Once we've done this, the bottom is going to stay the same, and we add the tops. So we get 10/9. Now our second example. We have 5/8 and 2/5. Now I think everybody in the room already knows that 5/8 or 5 and 8, they aren't multiples of each other. So we list the multiples of 5 and we go up 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And we do the same thing with 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Perfect. We have a common multiple of both of these that are the same. So 40 and 40. So we need to ask ourselves, what do we need to multiply 8 by to get 40? And that answer is going to be 5. So we multiply the top and the bottom by 5. And we write that answer next to our equals. So 5 times 5 is 25. And on the bottom, 40. And we do the same thing for 5. In order to get 40 out of 5, 40 with 5, we need to multiply by 8. So we multiply the top and the bottom by 8, and we subtract, because this problem is subtraction, we subtract that answer from 25/40. So we have 16/40. And just like before, our bottom stays the same, and we subtract our top. So 25 minus 16 is 9.